Okay, so we're going to take your outline in NoodleTools and export it to a document that you can work on to become your draft. This is really simple. To start, you just go to the drop-down menu under More, and you are going to go to Print, and then all the way down to Outline Only. Select that. Then choose Google Docs or Word, whichever you prefer to work in. And it's going to send you to sign into your account, or Word should open up if you're in Word. After you sign in, should come up with a new document. This is going to be the document title in your account. That is exactly the outline that you have in NoodleTools now in a Google Doc or Word document. So this is what you need to print and turn in for a grade for your outline credit. What I would recommend in terms of moving on in your paper after you print this, or you could do it right now, is to make a copy of this document so your outline and your draft are separate, so you don't change your outline into your draft and then maybe somehow you didn't get credit for your outline, but now it doesn't exist anymore because you made it into your draft. So I'm either going to go to File and Save As in Word so I can create a new document, or in Google I'm going to go to File and make a copy. And this will become my paper. So now, either in my Word Online or Google Drive, I have my outline as a document and what will become my paper as a document. Your task from here is to actually start making this into your paper. So first of all, you have some moving around and some deleting and renaming and all that kind of stuff to do, because you don't want these subtitles in your paper. We're going to do formatting in APA format next class, so don't worry about that. But what I need to do now is I need to go down and I need to make my phrases into sentences. I need to make my sentences into complete paragraphs according to what's required on the outline form. And I also need to do some things like I need to write my introduction. So we know that your introduction is going to start with a hook, and then you're probably going to preview and give background information on your topic. You might reference primary sources that you use, like who the experts are on this topic. And then you're going to list your claim and your counterclaim. So I'll write my introduction, and then I should pretty much, if I've been thorough in my outline process, have my 3 body paragraphs done. Then I'll need to go down and fill in my conclusion, and the draft review paper is pretty much done. Good luck.